forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama telling you this. Hey, jump. On a better have some respect and manners. See the Asian them and give them honors.
Respect and manners.
Yes,
Nothing wrong with that.
they always say, too little simple thing can carry you through the world. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, then love will come to you. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, and I know Jah will see you through.
Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it. Do us. So we are coming in with a force. Yeah, blessing the reap and we coursing on full. Oh, in a rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey to us to the plus. Yeah. Gratitude is a must. Yeah. Blessings fall on my right hand. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We are in our parish of St. Mary, but we are at the beautiful Strawberry in the Fields. It's been a long time since we've come to Robins Bay, about maybe a year and a half, 2 years. Yeah. But we decided to come and spend the day at Strawberry in the Fields, so we are here. Yes, guys, it's beautiful. We're going to show you, what we're working with today. Yes, guys, this is a must. If you come to Jamaica, Strawberry in the Fields is a must.
Yeah, just name it. We do it.
All right, guys, have a look at this. Coming from up there, and then along here you've got little like cabins. We'll show you as we go along. Little like cabins where people stay, cottages, where people stay. So it's not just a day out. They do villas and cottages, cabins. So we're here. And you can just see the clearness of the water already. Yeah. So we're gonna have a walk down in a bit. Yeah. Yeah, beautiful. We're gonna go walk down. Yeah. Back up. I said you're gonna pick it up. I said that to you, you know. Yeah, we're gonna walk down. Yes. This guys, we're just walking on these steps. Lifeguards doing their work. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. So look, so I'm right at the edge. We're right at the edge here. And we've got this beautiful sand part. Yeah, look.
All this glistening waters.
Somebody out there swimming. This is, idyllic, right? Yeah. So this is where we just come from up here. Let's walk down these steps. And come down. So we're gonna walk down. I'll walk around. Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah.
This is so nice too.
We are here. Alright, we're gonna take a walk. This is wet. You going round? Guys, look, I'm walking on the edge, literally. I should have put my trunks on.
Guys, I'm on the edge. Literally on the edge. Oh, okay. Okay. So we've just walked around. So we've just walked around from here. That's where we were. Yeah, we've just walked around. So we came from up there. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah. Get it over here. Huh? Oh yeah. Oh, someone's shooting fish. Can you see him? Can you see him, guys, swimming? There. There. He's shooting fish. Wow. I hope he gets a good catch. You got fishermen out there throwing their nets.
Yeah. Throwing their net out.
Coming a bit, but look, yeah. So all these are cabins, though. All these cottages. Yeah, these are cottages around here. Imagine staying here and this is the first thing you see when you wake up. This is your view when you wake up every morning. Beautiful, isn't it?
So they call it now?
Sea view.
No, that is right there. Something like a mayor's
Okay.
whatever.
Yeah.
Clinic.
Clinic.
Yeah, they have their own clinic for in case of injuries.
Yeah.
They have that one here.
That to me, this is fascinating though. That guy there
Yeah, man.
in the middle of the sea. That one
Might go to the reef.
there. Yeah.
Yeah, reef, and shooting fish down.
Catching his fish, shooting his fish. Fishermen boat out there doing their thing. Yeah. Yes.
And prayers. Look at what the man get. Look at that same man I must have viewed in the water a while ago. The same man, look at the man carrying. Jesus, massive. Beautiful, beautiful, brother. Man and prayers, man. Look at that. My God. Whoa. That's blessing. All these things, I tell you, brother. Beautiful, man, beautiful. And after that, boy, so I'm going to pay you any amount to take care of that phone of fish. It doesn't matter if I negotiate neither, because I'm not going out there, brother. So I'm going to just do what you say to do. If me have to do.
So, when I checked the website, just before we left to come here, to check the prices and everything, it said it's $1,000 for adults and $500 for children. $1,500 for adults if you bring your own food, right? So $1,000 if you don't bring food, $1,500 if you do bring food, because they serve food here between 12 and 3. They have a good lunch menu. So when we got here, the person at the gate said to me, oh, it's $3,000. So I said, oh, but on the website, but I even checked this morning, it says $1,000 each. The guy's gonna make me know that that changed 5 months ago. So I said, well, you need to update your website then, don't you?
5 months ago that
5 months ago. I said, you need to update your website then, don't you? Because obviously it's misleading. He says, oh, well, the website is updated. I said, well, I checked it even before I came and it's not. He said, well, you need to put 2023. Like, you need to put, like, I guess strawberry in the fields and then 2023. Now, who's going to do that? You just put strawberry in the fields in, you get directed to their website and the prices come up. So he's telling me I should have put 2023 to see the adjusted prices. I said to him, no, you guys need to fix it. You need, because he said, oh, you know, there's still some issues. I said, well, then that's up to you guys. But that's the price that it shows. I think that's the price I should pay, right? But I mean, I paid it. We paid it. It's not, you know, paid it. The $3,000. But I just think it's little things like that need to be sorted out. You know, you can't have one thing on your website and when you turn up, it's something completely different, and then telling me, you know, I need to do this and that. But whatever. So that's it. So it's $1,500 now. It's not $1,000, it's $1,500, which I don't mind paying. I'm not sure how much it is if you bring your own food. Maybe $2,000 now, I'm assuming. Yeah. And it's a day pass. Even behind me, you can see them and stuff. Cottages and cabins. And there are villas too, apparently, as well, in the main building. Yeah. So we're just going to enjoy today. I'm definitely going to have to go in the water. At least up to my knee anyway. Usually it's just my foot. But yeah, it's absolutely, yeah. Beautiful. Yeah, it's like a postcard. Yeah. I'm going to make a little cut right here. Yeah, so this is us, and then after I'm gonna go over there with the sandy beach. So we're right now. You must not press the line. Do not press it. Yeah. Wow, it kind of sinks. What? The sand.
Yeah, it's soft.
The water is not cold at all.
Yeah, because they're between the stones, don't?
Yeah, it's not cold. It's really nice.
Water nice and pretty, you know, baby.
Are you coming in?
Yeah. You my feet today.
Huh?
You my feet today, don't?
Take off your shoes and socks and come in.
Yeah, might take a step.
Yeah, it's really, the water feels really good. It feels really good. Real good. Feels really good.
There goes Deezer.
Hi guys, I'm here.
See
Look
what?
how far, if you know me guys, this is far from me, right? It's
Yeah.
just up, just
Yeah,
near my knee.
She's not going no further.
I'm not going any further.
I feel box right, so she stop.
That's right where I start, right here. The water feels so good though. It's so warm.
Come take a step.
Yeah.
No, I'm not going to wait.
It's really good.
So
Come
good.
in, you need to come in.
Yeah, man, my foul.
I think I need to move from this spot though.
Two?
I'll adventure a bit more. I'm alright right here for now.
We'll go back to the stone. We'll go back to the stone.
Little fishes.
Yeah, man, they're right there. They're right there. Yeah, I'll go back to the stone there.
Yeah, in a minute. I want you to come in with me first.
Yeah, no problem.
Atlas is gonna go in. Push him.
I don't know what thing though. I don't know what else thing though. What I want for it?
It's warm, isn't it?
Yeah.
What's him? We'd have to do something different, wouldn't he?
Well, let's bust out the foot
On top of the world.
right there.
Yeah.
And I've done prayer. Thank for life.
Yes.
Very nice, man.
Yeah.
Because it's bust out the foot button. You can fight them.
Yeah.
They just nice and nice foot button.
This guys, it's yeah. Lovely. Alright guys, I'll catch you later. I'm gonna go back in. You can't come out. You have to be in there together. Giving him orders, guys, giving him orders.
Yeah. That's woman's prerogative.
Is it?
Give orders. Yeah.
Man's prerogative to listen.
Yeah, not everything we sign to.
What's him? Is that in the sand?
Yeah. What's that foot?
Okay. Alright people, so this is where we've been. Right in this little corner here. This is our little
Very
corner.
cool.
I'm going to walk over now. All this is stone, so I'm not going to walk up there, but I'm just going to walk up around. There's some stairs there and go on the sandy bit over there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really good.
Alright, let's go.
Step up, step up.
Oh, but it's muddy there.
Walking.
Oh. Guys, look at this dangerous. This is what I'm walking on, this little edge.
Yeah. Good edge.
Look, crab. Whew, it's hot though. Look there. Walk down and straight onto this little stretch of sand. Straight in water. Be careful with the stone. Oh my gosh. Yes, here we are. In the sandy bit. Just a small bit of sand, but
Real sand.
yeah. That's where we were over there. It's our little spot. Here we are. Small stretch of white sand.
Pretty sand.
Pretty sand, yeah.
Brown sand.
That lot doing now. Fine. So what are you saying about strawberry in the fields?
Yes, strawberry in the fields. I was looking and picking one, but I don't see any. But we're still enjoying it.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Guys, this is definitely worth the $1,500 and it's definitely worth the trip here.
Yes, repeat.
Yeah. You know, that Mr. Island Tours will take you. Of course, we will, if you're interested.
So you see it and you want to do it. Yeah, you hear all that. Cover your thing like Google. Beautiful language. Atmosphere is right.
Somebody tell me Jamaica's not beautiful. Huh? Look at the natural beauty of Jamaica. My God. Look at the natural beauty of Jamaica, people. This is in our parish, St. Mary. Yeah.
Beautiful, man. Feel good? Sun right there? Sun right there, sir? Oh. The old bird, I think, is stone.
Okay, I'll show you that. The sand here, and then as soon as you get here, the stones. You can see that. Yeah, stones here. Sand here. Stones here. For a little bit.
Yeah.
And then you can walk on the stone. And
Nice stones here. Nice round stones you can walk on.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, muscle at the foot.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not done juki on them.
Juki
Some
stone.
round stones.
Nice soft stones.
Yeah, you can just walk on it. Yeah. As we say, muscle at the foot.
Yeah.
But
Continue.
whatever it is,
Oh yeah. So these are professionals, right? Because that's where you're not supposed to pass this line. And these people, they know what they're doing.